baby. Yo, the ride on this is so comfortable. Like, I know you on the sports bike and you looking cool, but you mad aggressive, and you know, you're not supposed to ride on your wrist. So if your wrist is hurting and you're riding it wrong, you're supposed to like lean on the tank, but you gotta tilt over, lift your head up, and you know, after that, you know, whole day of riding like that, you know, could get to you, your neck start, you know, hurting. But this, yo, you can ride out on this. This is my shit, baby. You chillin', baby.
Break comes higher, and then you sit there and yourself looking mighty fine.
What is going on? Yo, it's a beautiful day out here today. My hands are kind of ashy, so pardon that as I fix my helmet strap. But I pulled over because for one, they said this house was supposed to be 50 something today, so I brought my little mini gloves out. It'll keep my hands warm, a little bit warmer. And also, my speakers, I thought, you know, let me adjust my amp so, you know, I could turn it louder. But then I took off my helmet and these things was blaring, and I was like, oh, it's because I had on my helmet. I couldn't really hear it as well. Anyway, I got on the cheapies today. You can see Amazon $10 special, but they still look good though. They still work. They got the grip, they got the knuckle protection, and they also got this, which my Alpine Stars don't have. These little palm sliders, so if you do fall, you can slide off of this real quick. But anyway, enough of the talking. Let's be out. Oh, I gotta turn it on. Yeah, but I know you said y'all. I know I said you don't want to hear what I listen to, but sometimes I just be rocking out like this. A little old school flavor, you know? And this thing can go louder, but it's actually loud as it is. I mean, this bike is loud, so, you know, it gotta be louder, but anyway. I'm on my way to Roosevelt Field Mall. Oh shit. I forgot to put my shades on, but where did I put them? Oh, I put them in my pocket. You know, I gotta be super cool when I ride the M50. As I see some fellow bikers. Oh, that's the Boulevard. Oh, he got the full, anyway, gotta put on my shades. Get right. Anyway, we out. be alright. Yeah, so YouTube. Birds are chirping. Yeah, there's one thing about this bike that I love over the R6 is the fact that it has the gas gauge indicator. You know, I hate to like guess how much gas I got. I mean, the R6 does have a gas light if you run it low, but this actually shows you how your level is. Assholes! Assholes! Even outside of New York City, you still gotta watch people over there. My language. Oh, you hear that? Oh, baby! Sorry about that outburst. Oh, I lean with it, rock with it. Extreme Motorsport. Yo, I like this place. I actually gotta go in there because they got this jacket that I wanted, but I don't know, it's getting warmer, and I got this leather. The one I was looking at in there was a Icon dropout jacket, and that shit is hot. That shit is flavor. It's real nice. It's very nice. It's a very, very nice jacket, but it's leather, and you know, it's about to get warm, so I need you know, textile thing going on. Yo, this only ain't for you, shorty. Don't even look my way. I mean, nah, this ain't for you either. I don't know. Anyway, I pulled over because I tried to turn on my GoPro and I saw my battery light was dead. Like, and I was like, yo, I charged it yesterday. I don't know, but I had to back up, so I just switched real quick, and it gave me a chance to put on my gloves. Anyway, that's the motivation. Yo, they'll be fucking dead. You fucking kidding me, man?